Radiology workflow. We begin on the patient dashboard, locate the specific patient, and click on their name to open their comprehensive medical chart. Find the Prescribe Procedure module and click to add a new request. Select the required test, for example, an MRI brain. Crucially, find the procedure status drop-down and change it to Send to Radiology. This officially sends the request to the department queue. Now, we switch to the radiology department dashboard. The patient's request now appears in the list of pending tests. When the procedure begins, click the status dropdown and change it from pending to started. Once the scan is finished, update the status once more to completed. Click on the test record to open the reporting interface. Enter the diagnostic findings, either by typing directly or attaching the final radiologist's report. And then click Save Report. Finally, navigate to the Radiology Billing module and select the Billing dashboard. Search for and select the patient. The completed radiology procedure should appear as an item ready for billing. Click the item to select it. Initiate the pay process, confirm the payment details, and click Save Invoice. The radiology workflow from prescription to payment is now complete.